Number one, the protein that is most abundant in human body are collagen, myosin, actin, albumin. So correct answer is option one. Collagen protein is the most abundant in human body. Question number two, which element is normally absent in protein? Carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus. So correct answer is option 4. Phosphorus is normally absent in protein because proteins are made up of amino acid which contain carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, and some also contain sulfur but no phosphorus. Question number 3. Product of protein catabolism are ammonia, carbon dioxide and urea. So correct answer is option 1. Question number 4. Alpha helical model of protein was discovered by Pauling and Corey, Watson, Morgan, Berzelius. So correct answer is option 1. Pauling and Corey discovered the alpha helix model of protein. Question number 5. Protein which play a significant role in aging is collagen, elastin, actin, myosin. So correct answer is option 1. Collagen protein play a significant role in aging process. Question number 6. Which of the following group is correct? Glycoprotein is mucin, or salmon is example of phosphoprotein, or lecithin is example of lipoprotein, or cytochrome is example of mucoprotein. So correct answer is option 1. Mucin is a glycoprotein in nature. So correct answer is option 1. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. Question number 7. Protein which are present in protoplasm are very important because they provide rigidity to the cell, they function as a biocatalyst, they yield energy, they store food. So correct answer is option 2. Proteins that are present in the protoplasm, they can function as a biocatalyst. Question number 10. Example of milk protein is lactogen, myosin, casein, pepsin. So correct answer is option 3. Casein is a milk protein. Question number 9. Which of the following will be different in different animals? Fats, carbohydrates, protein, vitamins. So correct answer is option 3. Different animals have different sequence of nucleotides in the DNA. So protein that are formed from the sequence of nucleotide, they will also be different in different animals. Question number 10. Protein are transported in body in the form of amino acids. So correct answer is option 1. Question number 11. The formation of protein can be considered as dehydration synthesis, dehydration analysis, deamination process, transmination process. So correct answer is option 1. The formation of protein is dehydration synthesis because peptide bond is formed by the removal of water molecule between two amino acids. Question number 12. Which is the most important structural part of our body? Protein, carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids. So correct answer is option 1. Proteins are the most important structural part of our body. Question number 13. Which protein is oxidized by light producing animal? Gramicidin, luciferin, flavin, lumen. So correct answer is option 2. Luciferin protein are oxidized by light producing bioluminescent animals. Question number 14. Which is an example of contractile protein? Actin, myosin, troponin, tropomyosin. So correct answer is option 2. Myosin is an example of contractile protein which is present in thick filament of muscle fiber. Question number 15. Variation in proteins are due to sequence of amino acid, number of amino acid, R group, none of these. So correct answer is option 3. Variation in different proteins are due to attachment of different alkyl groups. Question number 16. The blood group protein of man are composed of glycoprotein, mucoprotein, lipoprotein, phosphoprotein. So correct answer is option 1. Blood group protein are glycoprotein in nature. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. Question number 17. Example of phosphoprotein is mucin, fibrinogen, casein, myosin. So correct answer is option 3. Example of phosphoprotein is casein that is present in milk. Question number 18. Which one of the following is not a protein? Cytochrome, myoglobin, fibrinogen, urea. So correct answer is option 4. Urea is a non-protein that is consist of almost 45% nitrogen. Question number 19. What is true about histone? They are present in nucleic acid, They are nitrogenous bases of DNA. They are proteins of eukaryotes. They are proteins of prokaryotes. So correct answer is option 3. Histones are proteins of prokaryotes that consist of two basic amino acids, lysine and arginine. Question number 20. Growth, repair, and protection against diseases in our body is vitamin, hormones, protein, lipids. So correct answer is option 3. Proteins are important in growth, repair, as well as protection against diseases. Question number 21. Conjugated protein containing carbohydrates as a prosthetic group is chromoprotein, glycoprotein, lipoprotein, nucleoprotein. So correct answer is option 2. Glycoproteins are the conjugated proteins that are having carbohydrates as a prosthetic group. Question number 21. Collagen is example of fibrous protein, globular protein, lipid, carbohydrate. So correct answer is option 1. Collagen is a insoluble fibrous protein. Question number 22. Antibodies in our body are complex of steroids, prostaglandins, glycoprotein, lipoprotein. So correct answer is option 3. Antibodies in our body are complex glycoprotein that are known as immunoglobulin. Question number 23. Identify the protein which does not contain any metal: phytochrome, cytochrome, glycoprotein, ferritin. So correct answer is option 3. Glycoprotein is the protein which does not contain any metal. Instead, it consists of carbohydrates as well as protein. Question number 24. Which one is a storage protein? Ferroprotein, chromoprotein, mucoprotein, glutein. So correct answer is option 1. Ferroprotein is a storage protein. It stores iron. It is also known as ferritin. Question number 25. Which of the following structure is not common in all protein? Primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, quaternary structure. So correct answer is option 4. Quaternary structure is not common in all naturally occurring protein, while the remaining three structures are necessary for a protein.